Yes, Lama, you go and check. Yes, good morning, everyone. Good morning, all of
Ma'am.
you.
Good
Yes,
morning, ma'am.
good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Switch
Good
off your
morning,
mic.
ma'am.
Good morning. Switch off your mics now.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rahil, tell me.
see, there are 41
Yes,
students are
yes,
there in
yes, I
class.
can see. And time is 11:05 and they are 41. And I already told you when it is 11:10 or 11:15, I can see the attendance of 53 students. So good morning. As we have done yesterday, the activity also I send you to make the wheel. Yes, one by one I will call the child name. That child will show me. Riva, yes, you have made. Please show me. Riva Kataria, can you please show
Yes,
me?
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, can you please
Thank
show?
you.
Very good. Excellent children. Those who are doing at least they are trying their efforts best.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you please show me? Yes, which table you have made?
Ma'am, this is 9, this is
9.
12, and this
Very
is 8.
excellent. Excellent, my dear child. Children, as you all know that you are going to be graded on the basis of activities, on the basis of the CETs. So please be proper. Please send your work timely. Right, Lakshya, have you made that? Those who have made, can you please raise their hand? I can see in the classroom also only 8 to 10 students have posted their work. Can you please show me those who have made and tell your name also before showing me? Yes, Rahel.
Ma'am, Vihan Patel.
Yes, Vivan Patel.
Ma'am,
Please
Viva
show me.
Kataria.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
see.
Wait a minute. Yes. Can you please show me?
Ma'am, Vivan Patel.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this is 8, and this is 12, and this is 9.
Very good. Very good. You
Ma'am,
send me the
Vivan
pictures
Patel.
also. Yes, Vivan
Yes,
Patel.
ma'am.
Please show me.
Ma'am, this is 8 table, this is
Yes.
9, and this is 12.
Just a minute, Vivan. Can you please show me?
Yes, ma'am. This is of 8,
Yes.
this is of 9,
Okay.
and this is of 12.
So you have made on the paper only. You have not cut and made like a model
No, ma'am, I have done it in
in
maths
notebook
notebook
only.
only.
Okay.
Yes.
Try to make the model also, at least one model, right? At any one table.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
am
send you
I
the
have also
photo.
done a notebook, so I have to make the model.
Yes?
Okay, so I'll make the model and send.
Yes, you have checked the video also, no? Which I have sent yesterday.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have
Yes,
sent
ma'am.
You
it
have
to
to
you.
make the model. Okay. So children, I will take the table. I will ask tables also. I will ask today for with 10 students and every day I will ask from 10 students. So first we will start our today's topic. Now take out your notebook page. Write today's date.
Ma'am, can you wait? Just I'm taking my notebook.
Yes. Please open your notebook. Write today's date. Write chapter number 8, cards and wheels.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, tomorrow I was having a drawing class, so I was not able to do that.
But I want by today everyone's work in my classroom. Please send it to me. Click pictures and send it to me.
Ma'am, what is the chapter name? I will send it today
Which
only.
chapter you are
Cards and
doing,
wheels.
Fazan? No, nobody will tell. He has to write.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Write today's date. Write chapter number 8, cards and wheels.
Ah.
Yes, sit properly. Yes, Desai, sit properly. Rahel, sit properly. Write chapter number 8, cards and wheels. Now, draw one circle. I told you yesterday also to bring any one object which is having the circle shape. Now, draw a circle with that object on your paper. Yes, yes, start drawing. Don't show me.
Ma'am,
draw with pencil or pen?
Always
Can I
geometry,
sing?
always drawing will be with the pencil. Please remember, whenever we
What
do
we
the
have to
geometry,
draw?
circle.
What we have to do?
Gunav, draw a circle. Draw a circle. And please don't join your class late. Join your class on time.
Ma'am, this much circle is okay?
Yes. No. At least it should be a bangle size circle.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it okay? Ma'am, this is okay.
Children, nobody will show me. Let
Ma'am,
me talk
I
with
have
Khevna.
taken a glass.
Yes, Khevna, what happened?
वो इंटरनेट का इश्यू है ना थोड़ा यहाँ पे, तो इसीलिए वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था, इसीलिए थोड़ा सा लेट से कनेक्ट हुआ.
Okay, no, ma'am, no problem. Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, I
Take
can
out.
draw with this compass.
No, draw with the any object. With compass, I will tell you how to draw. You can draw if you know with the compass, you can draw.
Okay, ma'am, I know.
Yes, Prisha.
Is this much circle okay? Ma'am,
I don't want to see. No, nobody will show me. No one will show me. Please draw the circle.
Ma'am, I have to ask you something.
Yes, Vivan.
Ma'am, I have to know how to draw with this.
Yes, draw.
Ma'am, I have to.
Yes.
See.
Children, now listen to my instruction and switch off your microphones first.
Ma'am,
Switch
what
off
we
your
have to
microphone. Draw a circle, and after circle, please be ready. What I am going to show you.
Ma'am, what we have to give the heading?
Chapter number and chapter name. And just draw a circle and be ready. Don't show me. You please be ready in your notebooks after drawing a circle. Now my presentation is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Draw the lines the way it is showing and please mark them with the letters which is written here. Please do it fast. Children, you know why it is O here at the center? Because center is the origin point. And origin starts with letter O. That's why please switch off your mics, otherwise you will face the difficulty. Once, please switch off your mic. Children, my voice will be echoing if you switch on your mics and you will face the difficulty. I'm again going to show you. Please draw the lines the way it is showing in this picture.
Okay, ma'am.
And please mark them with the letters. Mark this long line AB, OC, PQ. And why it is O, why I have given. Again, I have to go and again I have to remind you, please switch off your mics. O is the center point and most of the time we give to the center point O because center is the origin. Origin means the starting point. That is why most of the time we mark center O. Have you all done that? Please show me thumbs up. Please show me thumbs up fast. Done with
Ma'am, I
that?
have done.
Can you show? No, ma'am, I have not done.
Ma'am, I have not done.
Children, I told you show me thumbs up. Did I told you to open your mics? I can see you. Now, after drawing these lines, you have
to. Ma'am, I'm saying that we have to mark this P, Q,
Yes, yes, yes. We have to name them. These are the names. This is the PQ.
Only.
Children, I am very much upset when without asking you switch on your mics. Without taking permission, you switch on your mics. It will be the problem for you also. It will be the difficulty for me also.
Ma'am, can you please show the presentation again?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
And why are these letters used to draw these
We
things?
always give names to these lines.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write this all letter with black pen, na? Only letter.
No. You can write with the pencil also. It is not compulsory.
Ma'am, ma'am means we have done in line segment. We give names like that.
Yes, whenever you draw line segments, means having chord, diameter, or the lines which you have learned, radius, you will always give them the name. Now in this, I will ask, which is the diameter?
Ma'am, A and B.
Not A and B. AB is the diameter, not A and B. Its complete line is the diameter, so we say AB is the diameter. Which is the radius?
OC.
C, ma'am.
Children, I will tell you one thing. I will tell you one thing here. In this picture, there are two radius.
Ma'am, OB and OC and OA.
Yes, more than one radius are in this.
Ma'am, there are 3 radius.
Three radius. OA.
OB and OC and OA.
If you all speak together, will be good for everyone.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to write that one.
What one? No, you have. Wait, I will tell you how to write. Don't write right now. Just I will ask the questions from the children. That child only will answer me. Yug Baria. Yug Baria, you are present in class?
Yes.
Which is
Ma'am.
the chord here?
P and Q.
Not P and Q. Again, I will say PQ is a chord. PQ complete is a chord, so you will not put and in between the letters. Am I clear?
Okay.
PQ is a chord.
Excuse me, ma'am. I am Parnika.
Yes, Parinika, tell me.
Ma'am, in this we can add any letters.
Yes, you can write any letters.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in that there were 2 chords, no?
Yes, I will ask that also. I'm coming to the next question. Yes, Riva Kataria.
Yeah, ma'am.
Can you see other chord also except P and Q?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you see another chord and tell me which is the another chord?
Ma'am, O and OB. And then one more then
OB is a chord.
OB. Yeah, ma'am.
OB is not a chord. OB is a radius.
Okay, ma'am.
Chord is a line segment which is not, it is not compulsory that it is draw from the center. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So tell me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say?
No.
Can I say?
If you say, can I say, you will not be graded. Am I clear to everyone? You have to wait for your turn. And if by mistake you are switching on your mic, please mute your mic immediately. Arna Agarwal. Arna Agarwal. Arna Agarwal, you are there in the class. Switch on your camera. Switch on your camera and mic, Arna, please. There are some children, they sit silently in the class. Anvi Kothari. Anvi Kothari, Ashvi. Out of these children, who all are there in the class? Anvi Kothari.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes.
Anvi, why you have switch on your camera and mic late?
Ma'am, I'm drawing the circle.
Agarwal, madam is calling you. Renu Punjabi madam is calling you, Arna Agarwal. You are there in the class.
Yes, Anvi, tell me. Why you are not listening and I am telling from the beginning that switch on your mic and camera, I want to talk.
Ma'am, I was drawing the circle. No.
But whenever the teacher call your name, you have to join immediately. Okay. Now, Arna, I will show you the picture again. You only answer me. Sorry, not Arna, Anvi. Samriddhi, it's my request to mute your mic.
Ma'am.
Yes, Anvi, switch on your camera. Anvi. Okay, if you will not listen at the one go, sorry, I will give the chance to other child. Yes, Anya.
I cannot listen properly.
Anya, now you can listen.
Not that much.
You log out and log in again. Swati ma'am, am I audible clearly? Okay. Now my
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can't put it down. Arna Agarwal, now she is there, ma'am, in the class.
There, I have sent a chat also that she has read the chat.
Okay.
She has already read that.
But she is not responding.
She is not responding. Her mic is also on. Arna Agarwal, she has switched on her mic. I think she is trying to speak something, but it is not audible.
Okay, okay. Ayansh Jain. Ayansh Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
I am going to show you the picture again. You will tell me how many chords are these in this picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Now show me how many chords
Chords?
are in.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, two chords there
Which,
are.
which chords?
Ma'am, P, Q,
Yes.
A, B.
Very good. Which is the longest chord?
Ma'am, I think it is A, B.
Yes, it is AB. Be confident when you give the answers. Now, children, I'm going to present you the questions. Please write. Name the parts of the circle. The circle which you have drawn right now. In that circle, what is the O? O is the center of the circle. So you will write O equals to center of the circle. PQ is what? PQ equals to chord of a circle. AB equals to a diameter of a circle. And OC is what?
Ma'am, I want to say something.
OC is the radius of a circle. And OB is also a radius of a circle. Just a minute.
Write in the notebook.
Yes, my dear children, write in the notebook. Rutu,
Ma'am.
please switch off your mic.
Ma'am, can you present one more time?
Yes, I will present. But the children who switch on their mics disturbs me a lot. And I'm keeping on reminding them again and again. Okay, I will present it. Please write this in your notebooks. And write what is the O, what is the P.
Ma'am, pen or pencil?
With a pen.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Lama.
Ma'am, I have written with pencil only.
It's
It's
okay.
okay?
Ma'am, your presentation
Yes.
is not visible. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
I will present it again.
Very clearly visible. Name the parts of the circle.
Ma'am,
Very
it's
clearly
clearly visible. Ma'am,
Ma'am, please tell them to switch off their mic.
I have a doubt.
Ma'am, O is equal to the center, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay, Vihan
Hello.
Patel.
Ma'am,
Please
what
tell
is
me
the
the
spelling of diameter?
DIAMETRE. DIAMETRE. Diameter.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Sentence.
Children,
Ma'am.
first of all, I don't understand why you all speak together.
Excuse
It
me,
is
ma'am.
better if you chat and ask. She will
Yes.
answer you. I'm
You
sure she
please,
will answer you.
you
She
please
will
put
be
a
able
chat.
to answer you if you will chat and ask her.
Ma'am, you called me my name.
Yes, Vihan, wait. Children, I will present this to you all. Vihan, you please tell me the table of 8.
Ma'am, table of 8.
Yes.
8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. And 8 tens are 80.
Very good. Now, next child is Arav Patel. Arav Patel.
Ma'am,
Wait a minute.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Wait a minute. Migdad asked me that Migdad is asking that AB is a chord. Yes, my dear Migdad, AB is a chord also, AB is a diameter also, and AB is the longest chord.
Ma'am, what is OC?
Just check what is OC. You tell me what is OC. I will again show you the
Ma'am,
picture.
your presentation is not visible.
Now it is visible. Now I am showing you. Now OC is what? Vivan, you tell me what is OC?
Yes, ma'am.
What is OC? What? Yes. Tell me what is OC? The distance, the line from the center and touching to the circumference of a circle is what? Vivan
Ma'am, I
Patel, I
don't
am
know.
asking from you what it is.
Ma'am,
Please
can I
answer.
Ma'am, I don't know. Can I say?
It is radius.
Yes, ma'am.
OB also radius, OC also radius, OA also
Renu,
radius.
ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Arna Agarwal is answering through the chat, huh? And she has
Yes,
also
yes.
written that there is some problem with her laptop, so she
Okay.
cannot speak out.
Okay. The spelling of radius is RADIUS. Spelling of diameter is DIAMETRE. Chord is CHORD. Radius is RADIUS. And if there are more than one radius, then it is radii. Plural form of radius is radii. Now I will ask tables. Please be ready. I
Ma'am,
will
1
call you.
minute. Can you please show that because
Yes,
my
yes.
last one is left.
Ma'am, I have a question. Can you answer that?
Yes, please tell me.
Ma'am, yes, you taught tomorrow that the diameter is also
Not
called.
tomorrow, it is yesterday.
Yes, yesterday you said that diameter is also the longest chord, but
Yes.
he said that chord is one who does not pass through the center.
No, chord is a line. Okay, chord is a line segment which touches the two endpoints to the circumference of a circle. Diameter can be a chord, but chord cannot be a diameter. Diameter is compulsory to pass from the center. Am I clear?
Got it.
Yes.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vihan.
Ma'am, means now we have drawn the circle. Ma'am, it has so many radius, so it is called radii.
Yes. Now I will show you the next circle. Please draw.
Oh, ma'am,
Yes.
A and B is a radius.
Not A and B. Again, I'm telling you, please don't put and in between the two letters. It is the complete line, A, B. It is not A and B. And when it is from one end point of a circle to the next end point of a circle, it is the diameter. I told you yesterday, day before yesterday also, to revise these terms, children.
No, ma'am, I had a doubt because Freya is writing that it's a radius also. So I was
Radius is passing from the center touch to the circumference of a circle. So only OB, OC and OA are the radius. 3 radius are there. But the complete line from AB, this is the diameter. Am I clear now?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
I'm asking that so AB will only be diameter and chord.
Yes.
Okay.
Diameter. Wait a minute. Prisha, diameter can be a chord, but chord cannot be a diameter. Why? Can you please explain why?
Because diameter has to pass through the center of the circle and chord is not compulsory that it has to pass through the center.
Not
It can
compulsory. Yes. The
Yeah.
chord, for
pass
chord,
through anywhere.
yes. For diameter, it is compulsory to pass from the center.
Ma'am,
Yes.
now may I ask?
Yes, there.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, in the first one, it's not like that. But if we want to add anything, so OQ, it can be OQ, a radius. O
Where you want to mark the cube?
means I'm saying that if I want to add in this first one, so if I take O and Q, so it will be a radius, right?
But from the O, you are going to draw the line where? You show me.
Look, here it is. Here this is O and here it is Q. So if I draw from here to here.
Yes, then it will be radius.
Ma'am.
Yes.
What is PQ?
Ma'am, what is PQ and what is OB?
You have joined Kevna my previous classes? Okay, PQ is a chord, Kevna. PQ is what? Kevna, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kevna, you asked what is PQ,
Yes.
right? And you know what is chord?
Yes, ma'am.
What is chord? Can you please answer me?
Chord is the line that chord is also diameter, and and diameter.
Chord is not a diameter. Chord cannot be a diameter. Diameter can be a chord.
Okay, ma'am.
But you should first, Khevna only will talk with me right now. Others, please switch off your mics. Khevna, chord is the line segment whose two endpoints touches to the circumference of a circle, right?
Yes.
So this is the line segment and whose two endpoints are touching to the circumference of a circle. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
That is why it is a chord. So here PQ is a chord. Now OB. O is the origin point, the center point.
Yes, ma'am.
From the center, when we draw a line segment touching to the circumference of a circle, from the center, please remember, from the center, when we draw a line segment which touches to the circumference of a circle, is the radius of a circle. Clear now? Now
Okay, ma'am.
here are, please don't ask ma'am in between. Now I am explaining everything and listen to it carefully. So center point is this O. From this center point, there are three radius, OB, OC, OA. These are the three radius which are passing from the center. Please note the radius always pass from center to touching to the circumference of a circle. And diameter is double of the radius. And when you extend this line from O to A, then AB is the diameter of a circle. And always remember, I told you if the radius is 2 centimeter, the diameter will be 4 centimeter. Multiply it with the 2. Am I clear to everyone? But right now I am showing you just what is diameter, what is radius and what is chord. Then we will learn how to calculate what is diameter, what is radius with the measurement. Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Rudra, tell me.
Ma'am, AB we can write diameter and chord both, or any one we have to write.
Right now you can write both.
Okay, ma'am.
AB is also a chord also, diameter also. I'm going to present you one more question. Please draw one more question, circle.
Ma'am, I'm on the fourth one, so can you please show the questions? Yeah.
Fast write down first. Fast write down. You can name the parts later on also. So O equals to, PQ equals to, AB equals to, OC equals to, and OB equals to what?
Yes.
Faster, children.
Ma'am, you will send this video in the classroom.
No, you have to write in the classroom. You have taken a lot of time to complete this. Draw one more circle. Yeah, like this. Please draw it fast.
Ma'am, there is no circle on the screen.
We can't draw a circle
you-
because there is no circle.
Number 2 is written here. You can see.
No, I
No,
cannot.
ma'am.
No, ma'am, we can't see.
No, we can.
Now I will ask.
Ma'am, we have to continue with same page.
No, next page. New page, number 2.
Ma'am,
Again,
we
draw a circle. Mark these lines. Mark these lines.
Ma'am, I have logged in with 2 IDs because in one I am not able to hear you.
It's
and
okay. It's
in one
okay.
I am not able to see you.
It's okay.
Ma'am, we have to write heading, everything in next page.
No, only number 2. Draw a circle, draw these lines, and then I will show you what are the parts of these. Then you will do that. Please draw them fast.
Renu ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
do you want me to take the print screen shot for new attendance again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Are you Singanya? Ayush Singhania. Ayush Singhania, you are there in the class.
Ma'am, I cannot hear anybody.
Karna, what happened?
Ma'am, I cannot hear anyone.
Log out and log in again.
Okay, ma'am.
Ayush.
Ma'am,
I was going to shop.
Man, what happened? Ayush, you tell me the table of 9.
Table of 9.
Yes.
9 ones are 9. 9
I'm
twos
done
are
making the circle.
Yes, I will show you.
9 ones are 9.
can you
2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. 9 10s are 90.
Okay. Vivan Patel.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Table of 12.
Yes, ma'am. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 72, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120.
Very good. Next child. Wait a minute, children. I will first see the screen and call the child name.
Ma'am, I know
Priya.
13s also.
It's okay. Very good. Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
please tell me the table of 8.
8. Ma'am, look. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 six are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 48. 8
Faster.
64.
Hmm.
8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80.
Okay. I know, Fazan. Okay, switch off your mic. Now, Jishna. Jishna Swami. Jishna Swami.
Yes, ma'am.
Table of 9.
9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 six are 54. 9 sevens are 65. 63.
9, 7.
9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. And 9 tens are 90.
Parinika. Parinika Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you go to the circle?
Yeah, okay, I will put a circle. Fast, children, fast. Prisha.
Ma'am, yes. Yes, ma'am.
Parinika is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay, Parinika, table of 12.
12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 36. Ma'am, 12 six are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12
I don't think so.
nines are
That will lower his eyes.
12 nines are 110.
100.
I've mentioned this great thing.
102.
No, 8.
Just check.
I'll look at them.
Yes.
Send them back. I will
Then 10, 10 are 120.
Okay. Prisha.
Ma'am, she forgot.
Prisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Table of 9.
9 ones are 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 20, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90.
Very good. Ekansh. Ekansh. Ekansh is not here. Kevna.
Yes, ma'am.
Kevna, table of 8.
8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 8 8 fours are yes. 8 8 8 fours are 32, 8 8 fives are 40, 8 6 are 8 6 are 48, 8 sevens are
Mm-hmm.
8 sevens are 56, 8 9 8 eights are 8 eights are 60 64, 8 8 nines are 8
Kevna, you learn thoroughly all the tables, right?
yes.
It's okay. But next time, learn the tables thoroughly. Okay. 8 9s are
8 nines are
Ma'am,
60, 72, 8 8 tens are 80.
okay. Mohit.
ma'am, I have to ask you something.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, when you ask Ekansh or Ayansh, it is Ekansh or
I call
Ayansh?
Ekant, but now I'm going to call Ayansh also. Mohit. Mohit, table of 9.
9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 80, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 sevens are 63,
Hmm.
9 eights are 72,
Hmm.
9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90.
Good. Ayansh. Ayansh Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Table of 12.
12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 six are 72,
12 6 are
12 eights are
12.
72, ma'am.
Okay. 12 8s are.
No, ma'am, 12 sevens are.
It's okay. Next.
12, 12 sevens are 84,
12 7s are.
12 nine, 84,
Okay.
12 eights are 96,
Yes.
12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120.
Good. So I have taken the table test of 10 students. Tomorrow again I will take the table test of next 10 students. Be ready. This way I will take the tables test and please complete this. Now again I will show you this figure. In this OR and OS is what?
Ma'am, it's radius.
Radius. OA, OB is what?
Radius. OA, OB is also radius.
Radius. And AB is?
AB is diameter.
And DA is?
And D chord.
E
EB
is?
is diameter and chord both. Ma'am,
Yes. AB is diameter and the longest chord.
ma'am, RS is chord or radius?
Radius, my dear, it is passing from the center to the circumference, right?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, my dear.
You said the question second one that there is 3 radii are, so in that there should come 4.
3 radii are, which are the 3 radii in this?
But there should be 4
RS.
because there are 4 radius.
Yes, you can write 4. If they are asking 3, you write only 3. If they are asking 4, they write 4. If they are only asking write all the radii, then you write all the 4 radii. Am I clear?
Ma'am, you have to send this photo.
No, you complete this. Okay, done everyone? Center is O, diameter is AB. Two chords are, which are the two chords?
The two chords are DE and
DE.
DE and AB. And three radius are
The
RO
yes,
and OS and
Yes.
OB.
yes. Okay.
There are three, so I have written three.
Yes.
Ma'am, what are the diameter? A and B is a diameter, right?
A and B is a diameter also. A and B is the longest chord also.
Ma'am, what is center is O? It will
Yes, center is O.
Ma'am,
Okay.
diameter.
You have made,
Excuse me,
you have
ma'am.
made the picture of a circle in your notebook also, no? Just check in this notebook.
third one. What is the third one?
I will again present it. Just check. Please write the questions first and then solve it. Faster, children. And those who have done, they can leave the class. Thank you.
Ma'am, I can't see the presentation.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am.
Without saying
Have a
bye,
nice
please silently leave the class.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
No bye, no bye. Please silently leave the class.
Ma'am.
Yes, Vedi.
Bye, ma'am.
Vedi, you stay online. Vedi, I want to talk to you. Stay online.
Ma'am. Bye, ma'am.